We just got a severe wind weather warning for this area that's coming. It's pretty bad. Like, it's probably the worst wind speed we've ever seen.
Gusts of 97 kilometers an hour all the way into the next day.
So we are now set up here at Lake Mead. No, this would be like one of the most beautiful campsites that we've been to in the States, I think, if it weren't for this looming windstorm that's about to come. So we'll see how that all works out.
Hey everyone, we're Dana and Mike. We've been living life on the road with our 3 dogs searching for adventure. We are currently on the road headed up north with our end goal to see the Arctic Ocean. Join us every Sunday for new videos as we show you amazing campsites and the stunning natural beauty of North America. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, we are officially in Valley of the Fire State Park. And yeah, we are now going to start with our first trail. We're going to see Natural Arch. It is the longest of all trails that we're going to do today. And yeah, let's see how it goes.
All right, we are here.
At Natural Arch, it's not an official trail because it's clearly not on their park map. But there's a sign, teeny tiny sign, over there that says we just follow the wash.
Well, it looks like the main arch is supposedly collapsed here.
Well, that's stupid.
But apparently there's lots of other arches. All right, yeah, we're starting the middle of the afternoon. It's already like 1:30 p.m. or something. Sun goes down at 5:30 or so. We have 3 hikes to see and 1 viewpoint. In our mad rush to leave the trailer, I also forgot my sunglasses, so... So this trail is mostly soft sand.
It does definitely burn in your legs. You just sink.
Oh, look at that. Gross. What is it even?
So, even if there is no like actual like arch at the end of this trail, I think this little portion here in between the 2 mountains, you're kind of in this like canyon, and then there's like this tiny little slot, what you would consider like a slot canyon almost. And this little section is worth it, I think. Very, very beautiful. But yes, it is all sand, so just bear that in mind. Yeah, really cool.
There you go, archway. Little mini archway.
There was 100% an easier way, but we chose the hardest. But I'll be honest, it was probably the most fun.
Check it out. It's like a big nature's hot tub. Fill this with water.
If it had water, it would be a perfect swimming pool. Alright, you guys. So what I thought was Natural Arch, the one that's in the picture of all trails, I think we found it. And from the pictures, I would have assumed that this thing was like way bigger. Yeah, it's I hate to use the word, but it's pretty dinky. So whoever took that photo for all trails, you're giving off the wrong message.
You fooled us.
You completely fooled us.
Woohoo! We're back. Wow, that was long. All right, that's the longest hike out of the way. Let's do some of the other ones. Whew. Wow, it's hot in here.
Oh my god!
That's your white sock, yeah? Wow, that's a lot of sand. Oh, okay. Wow, that's a lot. Jeez. All right, so back in the car. We got a couple more hikes that we're gonna hopefully try out. It's basically the last nice day anyway until the big storm hits tomorrow. So yeah, we're still crossing our fingers that we're gonna make it through that okay. But we're gonna enjoy the one day of sunny weather that we got here in Valley of Fire and see some more cool stuff, yeah?
Yeah?
What?
The way you said that was so funny.
I didn't mean to. Okay, so we are at our second hike. It's called White Domes, and apparently there's some slot canyons here that we can see, and it's really busy, so...
It's very, very busy.
Yeah. All right, let's check it out. Puppies, are you ready? All right, let's take a look. Sun is starting to go down, so we don't have that much time left. 1.8 kilometers. It shouldn't take that long at all. Like half an hour. Not like the 2 hours that we just took on the last one. So during the summer, you're not supposed to hike in these areas because it gets crazy hot. Oh great, more sand.
So far, this park has been beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah, Red Rock Canyon was where we went last episode and spent a couple of solid days of hiking there. It was cool, but this one has like a lot of really cool like geography and stuff, and it's just...
You can just get way more immersed.
They're both cool. Yeah, if you're in the Nevada area, check out both of these. Red Rock Canyon and then Valley of Fire. They're sweet. Yeah, and Lake Mead too, of course. Yeah, that's where we're camped right now. We'll show you guys the campsite once we get back. Yeah, so millions of years ago, this was all underwater, and you can see all the different layers in the rock over the ages, and it's just crazy to think that this used to all be submersed. Oh, I see. This is like remnants of a movie set. I know those. I used to work in movies.
1965. I don't think I remember that.
Yeah, I don't think I've seen it. Oh, just the scale of all this is crazy, eh? It's just so much.
So pretty.
Well, here we go. We're getting into the slot canyons now. Whoa! This is so cool. All right, we stopped at this little hole here. the White Dome. Oh, but check that view out. Wow, just gorgeous, especially with the sun setting behind those mountains. I like this. Check it out. I'm in the dome. Check it out. Sweet dome action.
It looks like a foot.
Yeah, it's like maybe a giant stepped into the side of this mountain millions of years ago. So Valley of the Fire State Park is the largest state park in all of US.
I don't know. Okay, I have to confirm that, but it's on the brochure they gave us.
Oh.
But it is the largest state park. I don't know.
Okay. Well, I mean, I can see that. It is huge. Like the scale of it almost makes it seem like it should be a national park because there's just so many different trails and you drive through the whole thing. It's awesome. Yeah, like definitely check this place out. We're parked behind the same car that Dana has back at home. Subaru BRZ. That's a Toyota actually, but it's the same car. Yeah, kind of missing that car sometimes. It's a nice car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll drive it when we get back.
All right, we're doing it. Last hike, 3 hikes in a row.
This one is Fire Wave.
Is that what it's called?
I think so.
Okay, cool. Let's do it. Oh, let's check it out. Sun's going down. This will be a perfect way to end the day. Sunset hike. Wow. That's
We're so tiny.
yeah.
I love it when parks make me excited.
Yeah.
That's as I trip over.
As this
don't
park
like it.
tries
I
to
don't
kill
like
you.
it. I don't like
Yeah, it's awesome when a park kind of gives you the sense of wanting to explore it and wanting to like look at every corner and actually take it all in, you know, instead of just wanting to finish the hike and be done with it. This is one of those ones where you really want to take your time, see everything.
Even though we're not taking
It's
it.
awesome. All right, everybody.
We made it.
Yeah, this is Fireway Trail.
Don't ruin it.
You know what it reminds me of?
What?
Is like ice cream swirls.
Yes.
I go for ice cream.
Is it a Napoleon? Is that what they call it?
Neapolitan.
Neapolitan. Napoleon done.
Yeah, it's like strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla. All right, you guys. So yeah, this was Fire Wave Trail. An amazing like way to end a day, and like coming here at sunset.
Yeah.
That was
We
a good
don't
idea.
normally do trails at sunset because
No,
I'm always
yeah.
like worried about like getting home at dark and
Yeah.
all this stuff, but
This
it's really
one-
nice.
This one was great, and yeah, it's just so beautiful here.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think we're gonna head back to the trailer now. That was a pretty packed day for sure, and let's get ready for this storm, eh? All right, hey everyone. So we're back in the trailer.
All tuckered out.
Yeah, man, is it nice to come home after all that hiking and just plop down, especially on this new couch. I don't know if you saw last episode, but we opened up this couch and changed the foam out, got brand new foam put in it, and it is so much better. I was really sick of the foam that was in it before. You were basically just sitting through it and bottoming out all the time. But anyways, so yeah, we're back home and we're starving. So we're gonna cook up these plant-based burgers. We usually go for the Beyond Meat burgers, but they didn't have any at Walmart, so we got these Guardian. I don't know, it's spelled kind of weird. Garden burgers. So we're gonna cook that up and then yeah, just chill out for the rest of the night. Tomorrow is the day of the big windstorm. It won't really hit until like tomorrow afternoon, evening sort of. I've put away everything outside. I've buttoned everything up as well as I could. We're considering like hitching up tomorrow and then having the truck be part of, you know, the conversation of holding us together and flat on the ground. But yeah, we're just really hoping we make it through tomorrow. Nothing bad happens to the trailer. It's our home after all. And yeah, let's get ready for that.
Make food, I'm hungry.
Right. I gotta get cooking instead of just talking. So we're gonna cook, eat, chill out. See you tomorrow. Hopefully we're alive. Wow. Oh, these look good. Hey everyone. So, it's the big day. The day of the windstorm. It's supposed to be arriving later today and then all through the night. We're just kind of waking up now, getting the dogs outside and all that. Because, yeah, it's time to hunker down in this thing and hope that nothing terrible happens. Hello.
The calm before the storm. And you would never know that a storm is coming.
Oh, it's beautiful out.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah. This is like a super nice day here at Lake Mead. And
that was this.
that was the ketchup. Made breakfast. Got some delicious eggs and hash browns and bacon and stuff. And we're just kind of waiting for the storm to come. So we got a few hours before then, and we thought we'd just, enjoy the nice breeze from the open door, and so we can see the water at Lake Mead.
The zero wind that it is right now.
If we didn't look at the weather forecast, we would have never known. Like, there's no indication that there's anything wrong outside. It just looks super nice. So our plan is to have breakfast, and then we're actually gonna hitch up the trailer to the truck. And then we got to turn it around so we can point it in the direction of the wind.
Which again, we're also hoping that that's correct.
Because that kept changing too, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to do that. We're going to stay hooked up with the truck and have all the stabilizers and stuff on the trailer down. And just hopefully all that together adds stability and we can kind of ride this out. Yeah. For now, we're just going to enjoy the last few hours of peace that we have. and just enjoy our breakfast. What do you think, Calvin?
He has no idea.
You have no idea what's happening.
No, you stay. Y'all are staying inside. Because we're not going far. I can start to feel the wind. It's not very strong yet, though. Okay, I think we are all good. Our forward and back is actually conveniently level. So that's a plus, even with staying hitched. And yeah, let's put all our stabilizers down and yeah, call it a day and just wait it out. If you like what you see, follow. Woot woot. You just peeing on the wheel, Calvin, you little bugger. I know that's already your property. You don't need to tell everybody. It's getting hot. Huh? It's hot out. Maybe the storm's a lie, Calvin. Is the storm a lie?
All right, well, we've turned the trailer around, hitched up to the truck. We're gonna stay hitched. And we've got all the stabilizers down and the tongue jack down and stuff. And we're facing into the wind. So that's about all we can do. And now we wait. But yeah, just staring out at Lake Mead. Maybe someone who lives here and is more informed than us can tell us, but I've recently read a lot of reports about how Lake Mead is drying up and it's a lot lower than it used to be. I mean, we wouldn't really be able to tell. This is given our first time here. It looks like totally fine to me, but maybe it was a lot higher. Maybe it came over all these bits. I mean, that's a shame if that's what it is. That sucks.
And Philadelphia would come there for vacations. They had fans of the rich people from the big cities literally just kind of crumbled into the sea.
One of the scariest things is just how it says on the weather alert, significant threat to life and property. Yeah, I don't know. That sounds bad to me. All right, so the wind has started. We can hear it above us and starting to feel the first few shakes of the trailer. So it's not bad yet. This is nothing that we haven't been in before, but it's only gonna get worse. So strap yourselves in. Outside right now. it's been pretty shaky and creaky in here. Like, definitely.
I think some rocks hit one of the sides.
Yeah, definitely starting to feel it. This is gonna be pretty impossible to sleep, I think.
Even though I'm exhausted, so I'll probably try.
But anyway, I think we're gonna say goodnight for now, and hopefully we'll see you guys tomorrow morning, and hopefully it doesn't get any worse. If this is as worse as it gets, I think we're in the clear, which is really, really nice, because we were stressing about this. We don't want anything else to go on, but like, listen to that.
I was just gonna say, can you even hear it?
Yeah, I hope you guys can hear that, because it's like, it's loud, and there's rattling everywhere, and there's like creaking from the trailer structure and stuff. So, but should be okay. Anyway, we're gonna sign off. We'll say goodnight. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, good morning, everybody. So, we survived. That was a heck of a night. Like, it got real bad at some moments in the middle of the night. Really, really loud and really windy, and kind of scared for a few moments.
I would not want to be in anything more than that.
Yeah, that's definitely the strongest winds that we've ever been in the trailer. It's kind of interesting, all these different times that we've pushed our trailer to its limits of, you know, whether it be the strongest winds we've ever been through, or the coldest it's ever been, or the, you know, crappiest roads that we've ever been on. It is interesting pushing your trailer to its absolute limits, so you can kind of know like what it can and can't handle. I don't know, you probably can't really see, but like, we had gravel and dirt hitting it all night. Oh yeah, there's a little tumbleweedy looking thing there. But yeah, it was pretty crazy. But it looks pretty good. I mean, I don't see anything broken or weird or anything about it. So yeah, I think we'll call that a win. And yeah, it's hailing now, so I kind of want to get back inside. Oh wow. Yeah, one of these ones moved, that's for sure. Oh, this thing's barely even on anymore. Okay, gonna have to fix that. Wow, truck is crazy dirty. Check up on the roof. Well, looks okay, all the panels are still here, nothing's loose. Starlink's good. So yeah, guys, definitely was an interesting night. I'm glad this crisis is over and we can continue on with whatever we're going to do next. We're actually not too sure what our plans are going to be now, so we can't really move on from this spot, because the next spot we were going to go to, which is in Sedona, Arizona, they're going through a winter storm right now, and it's like -degree temperatures for like a whole week, so we're not going there. Even though we have tested how cold this trailer can go, it probably wouldn't handle like a week straight of -degree temperatures without draining the whole water system and all that, which we're not going to do because that's a pain. But yeah, I think we're just going to keep hanging out here at this campsite. Maybe the weather will be nicer here. We pretty much did all the things that we were going to do here in terms of exploring.
You know, we thought we only had the one nice day.
Yeah.
We didn't know we would stay here for that long.
Yeah. So, but in any case, we got some errands to run. We got to do laundry. We got to do some stuff like that, and yeah. Alright, you guys, so I think we're gonna call it for this episode. That was quite an interesting evening for sure with the wind, but we survived. It's all good. Thanks a lot for joining us. Thanks a lot for tagging along, and thanks to all the people who wished us well to get through that windstorm. There's a lot of people who reached out to us and made sure we were okay, so we're really thankful for that. Shout out to all you guys. We're gonna sign off here. Thanks again for joining us. My name is Mike.
I'm Dana.
Or Let's Just Go Travel, and we'll see you guys on the next episode.
Woot woot.